The number one reason people tell why they're not able to live their dream is, I don't have time. In today's fast-paced world, time management is more important than ever. Effective time management is critical to make progress on your dream. Without effective time management, you'd be wasting time each day. Effective time management would enable you to accomplish the tasks and goals necessary for achieving your dream. These tasks and goals are the stepping stones to your dream. The more efficient you are in completing these tasks, the better chance you will have of being successful. Weekly goals and priorities. What do you want to accomplish today, tomorrow, and over the next week? Be specific. Write down the tasks you will work on each day of the week. When possible, break the task down into smaller steps that can be accomplished in a day. Allow for additional time, but things get delayed or they take longer than expected. I recommend being conservative on the number of tasks you feel you can complete in a day or a week. As you become more productive, we can add more tasks you will complete each day and week. Daily priorities. What are the tasks you will complete and work on today? Again, if organizing your day like this is new to you, then start with 1 or 2 tasks. Then, as you understand how to stay focused and get your priorities completed in a day, then you may want to add more. Identify each day's priorities. You must get these priorities completed, barring a significant change in circumstances. Not completing your daily priorities must be the rare exception. Getting your daily priorities completed each day must become your habit if you want to live your dream. Effective time management allows you to organize your time so you can work on and complete your daily priorities. If you plan your day out the night before, effective time management will ensure you have the time to get all of your tasks done and remain relaxed, knowing you simply must follow your time management plan. The tasks in your daily plan are the building blocks that you must complete to turn your dream into reality. Whenever I hear someone say, I don't have time, or I forgot, unless that person is a mother, I usually know they do not manage their time very well. Even a busy mother can arrange her time to accomplish her dream. She just may have to allocate 15 minutes a week to accomplish it. The process may take a while, but even a busy mother can pursue her dream. To get the daily priorities accomplished, create a time management plan the night before. If you have a busy schedule, I recommend breaking your day down into 15-minute blocks and write down what you intend on doing during those 15-minute blocks throughout the day. You will need to be flexible and allow unexpected events to happen. Just because something is unplanned does not mean you must always do it then. Maybe you need to tell someone that you can't do what they want you to do today, but you will schedule it for another day. Of course, this is not always possible. You must do your best to control your time whenever possible. Make a list of your required activities for a week and the time you normally need to do them. Then make a list of the priority activities that you would like to accomplish this week relating to your dream. Map out the days and the time of day you tend to do the required activities, such as your school or work schedule. Then identify the days and times you can work on accomplishing the task related to your dream. Study your list of activities. Did you include all the activities that take place in your day? Maybe you would like to take a walk or meditate. Instead of saying, I don't have time, think about how you can incorporate these activities into your day, even if it's just for a short amount of time. For example, taking the stairs or parking further away from a destination can be a way to walk more. When I have an appointment that requires me to wait before it starts, I usually use that time to read. If you can find 5 or 10 minutes here or there throughout the week, you can accomplish a lot over time. Your day may never have large blocks of time that you can focus on your dream. But if you make a schedule and stick to it, you may be able to eliminate wasted time. Maybe the 30 minutes you spend on social media can be reduced and instead do something related to your dream. Here is an example of a time management plan. 6 o'clock, wake up. 6:20, shower and dress. 7, breakfast. 7:30, drive to work or school. 8 o'clock, arrive at work or school. 10:30, read about your dream for 5 minutes during a morning break. 12 o'clock, lunch. 5 o'clock, workday ends. 5:30, pick up the dry cleaning. 6:30, home, rest, dinner. 8:30, read about your dream. 9 o'clock, rest. 10 o'clock, bedtime. Don't make excuses for forgetting an appointment or not having time. Make a detailed time management plan every day and follow it. The busier you are, the more detailed your plan should be. By planning your day out, may seem excessive, but like using our GPS to get to a destination, plan each step of your day and you will get to your destination by completing your daily priorities. If you find yourself saying, I don't have time, you need a detailed plan to get every day all the tasks done and stick to it. Use time like money, invested wisely.